Okay, so welcome back to the channel. So we're going to do something that we don't normally do. I'm going to do a vlog today. Okay, so I'm going to take you along. We're going to see our friend Paul. I've got a bit of business with him, pick up some bits and pieces. And we did a video on his car some time ago now. He's doing a restoration on a Dodge Rally. You can see that video up here. Well, it isn't complete yet, but we are going to give you a little bit of a catch up to show you what he's actually done on the car. Okay, so while we're up there, we'll see what other cars they've got up there. They may have something in. We'll have a look, see if there's anything interesting. But the first thing we need to do is go and get our McDonald's coffee. It's the first port of call in every vlog, every video is the McDonald's cup of coffee. Okay, well, do you know something? It's been a bit of a funny week. So as a wise man once said,
that drive stupid ass cars that attract a lot of attention, you know?
The attention is not always good. So the other day I'm driving along, I've gone to pick up breakfast and I've got the breakfast on my passenger seat. So obviously I'm driving really carefully and I'm barely doing the speed limit. As I drive along this road, there's an elderly gentleman stood on the pavement waiting for me to drive past, shouting at me. Cheers mate, really appreciate it, thank you. Well, could you imagine what he'd have done if I'd opened it up? Never mind. Well, it's not all bad attention, obviously. Some bad, some good. About an hour later, I get a message from a guy called Brandon on Instagram, and he says, you just drove past me at the bus stop. Your car sounds amazing. Well, thanks, mate. It gave me put a smile on my face, so I thought I'd give you a little bit of a shout out on this video. Well, if we ever get through this bloody queue for a cup of coffee, we'll be able to get on our way a bit further, won't we?
2,000 years later.
Okay, well, the problem about doing this trip is we're just about to come up to another tunnel, so let's have a listen. So that was a nice little drive. You can tell we're in the right place because if you just look over there, you can see his Dodge, which looks a lot different from when we last saw it. Okay, let's have a look, see what he's got in here. So we're just going to pick up a few bits and pull. Let's see what we got. So he's got a lovely 200SX. Don't know if that's a project car or if it's a owner's car. Got another 200SX, which looks really nice. It's had the wide body kit on it. RX-8 with a very big spoiler. You're not going to miss that spoiler, Jesus. Another wide body. I recognise those wheels. Yeah, I thought I recognised those wheels. This is Paul's old wheels when he had his 350. And a Mark II Scirocco. Look at that. These cars were the thing back in the day. This is what we've come to see. Paul's Dodge. That's cheating. Look, he's even going to give it a quick clean over. To give you an idea of the size difference of these two cars. Here's that one. And I'm still walking back. Jesus. It's just about in frame now. Stand back to get it all in. So as you can see, there's a hell of a lot of difference from what it was. Hell of a lot of difference.
Yeah, because the last time you came, it was literally, was it still orange?
Yeah. I think you were still working on the body. You hadn't even primed it at that point. I've come back this way because this is one of my favourite driving roads, which is close to me. So I'm going to put it on speed. Enjoy the trip. That road is a lot more entertaining when there isn't traffic on it, and it's not slippery, it's not greasy, it's a lot more fun. But never mind, still a nice driving road with some great views. Right. on the old dual carriageway. Make a bit of sound, shall we? Wait for I've got a bit of space. Oh, listen to that. Thanks for checking out our new video. We hope you enjoyed it. If you did, do hit that subscribe button. It helps us out a lot. And also check out our merchandise in the description. We'll catch you all again very, very soon.